Good evening to everyone. My name is Bukyam Vaidnak and I am from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Now I am going to say about my topic earthing and types of wires and cables. Now introduction about the topic. Wires and cables are essential components of modern technology, enabling the transmission of power, data and signals across various industries. Their importance are wires and cables are essential for power distribution and for the electricity transmission. They enable the communication through telecommunication and internet or networks. Electronics and computing devices rely on wiring for proper functionality. Vehicles use cables for engine control, lighting and navigation. Medical equipment depends on specialized cable for accuracy and reliability. And now coming to the definition of the earthing. Earthing is a process of connecting electrical installations, equipments or systems to the earth using a conductor to ensure the safety. It prevents from the electric shocks, protects appliances from damages, and provides a path for fault currents to safely dissipate into the ground. Now, importance of the earthing. It prevents from the electric shocks and protects from the electrical appliances and ensures safety in electrical systems. Now, let us discuss about the types of earthings. First one is plate earthing, second one is rod earthing, third one is pipe earthing, fourth one grid earthing. Now the types of wires and cables. The wires are classified into three types. First one is solid wire, second one is standard wire, and third one tensile wire. And as the same way, the cables are also classified into four types: coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable, and fourth one automotive cable. Now let us discuss about the electrical wires, which are divided into three types, that are solid wire, standard wire, and flexible wire. First one, we will discuss about the solid wire. A single thick conductor with low resistance used for fixed installation like house wiring. Next one, standard wire. It is made up of multiple thin strands twisted together for flexibility and durability, used in appliances and vehicles. Third one, flexible wire. It highly bendable and used where frequent movements is required, such as in robotics and machinery. Now let us discuss about the communication cables. The types that are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. First one, twisted pair cable. Two insulated copper wires twisted together to reduce interference. Used in telephone lines and LAN networks. Unshielded twisted pair, which is denoted with the short form UTP. Commonly used in Ethernet networks. Second one, STP. Shielded twisted pair. Has an additional shield for better protection against interference. Next, second type of communication cable are coaxial cable. A cable with a central conductor, insulating layer, and outer shielding, used for cable TV, CCTV, and internet connections. Third one is fiber optic cable, used in the light signals for high-speed data transmission with minimum loss, and telecommunication and long-distance communication. And it is classified into two types: single mode fiber and multi-mode fiber. Used for long distance, high speed communication; used for short distance with high data capacity. Power cables are classified into some types, that are low voltage cable, medium voltage cable, high voltage cable, extra high voltage cable, and underground cable. The low voltage cable is used for household and small commercial applications up to 1 kilowatt, 1 kilovolt. Medium voltage cable used in industrial and distribution network from 1 kilovolt to 33 kilovolts. And the high voltage cable used for long distance power transmission, that are 33 kilovolts to 220 kilovolts. Extra high voltage cable used in the grid systems for bulk power transfer above the 220 kilovolts. And last, fifth one, underground cable, designed for buried power transmission to avoid overhead line hazards. Specialized cables types: instrumentation cable, used for transmission low power signal in industrial automation and control systems. And second one, fire resistance cable. Third one, flame retardant cable. Fourth one, aerospace cable. And fifth one, marine cable. And finally, the conclusion of the topic is summary of the importance of earthing and types of wires and cables. And proper earthing and selecting of wires and cables are crucial for ensuring safe and efficient electrical system. Thank you so much.